Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here with a color spotlight for you. I am here to show you BelleTress's color Purple Rain, and this is on the Bellissima wig. I figured I'd come outside and do this because there is no better place to show color than outside, especially a bright, vibrant color like this. So BelleTress is really stepping up their game with different fun fashion colors lately, and Bellissima is one of my favorite straight bobs. I just love Bellissima, and I do have a couple of them. And I found this wig on clearance and thought, okay, that's it. I gotta jump on it. I have to check it out. Partly because I live in a state where purple is kind of a color. We've got Prince, of course, with his famous Purple Rain, but we also have the Minnesota Vikings. So I figured there'd probably be an opportunity for me to wear a wig this color sometime. So here we are with Purple Rain. Now, obviously, this is a fun fashion color. This isn't an everyday color, but if you like to change it up sometimes, you like to go really bold on occasion, then I definitely think if purple is a color you like, this is a color to check out. It is really stunning. Let me take this off for you and show you, especially in the rooting. They have done such a good job with this rooting. It is very interesting. So instead of going with their typical dark root, which BelleTress likes to do, this is a kind of a reddish auburn. And there is so much going on with this color. I mean, you've got what almost looks like gray, a kind of a gray or a white in here. You've got just a beautiful like lighter lilac. You've got just vibrant purple, and then you have a little bit of this auburn. Really don't know what color that is, but it's definitely like an auburn running through. All of those colors are running through in these fibers. So when you get up close like this, you can really see how dynamic this is, and just so interesting. Back here you can really see it. It is super fun, and I wasn't sure what I thought of this rooting at first, but I actually really like it. I just think it adds a little something different to this color that a dark rooting just wouldn't. And you can see, so let's look at the nape. The nape is also very interesting. Look at that nape. So they've really taken that red. This is like a definite auburn, vibrant coppery red at the nape. So whatever this color is, it's a little bit lighter than what they've got going on at the nape, but that also just adds just a fun pop to it. Really, really cool color, really interesting. If they make this color in like a curly or a wavy style, it would be super interesting to see how that looks different from this really straight style. But just fun. Something I will mention about this Bellissima, it fits me really odd compared to my other Bellissimas, and I don't know if it's this one or if it's what the deal is, but it fits me small compared to my other Bellissimas. So BelleTress is known for being a little bit generously sized, real big head friendly, people will say. This one I wouldn't classify it that way, but the cap is weird. It like goes on my ears. I honestly am struggling to find a comfortable place for this cap to rest because it's so long in the ear and the cap around my ears, but the cap itself doesn't feel big. I don't feel like it's loose on my head. I don't feel like I have a lot of extra cap on the top. So something's weird about the way this cap fits. I don't know what it is. I've had a number of Bellissimas, and this one does seem like it fits me a little bit differently. The other thing I want to tell you guys is I did pluck the part a little bit. So as you're looking at this, this is not straight out of the box. I did pluck this just a little because I really wanted to see that monofilament. And BelleTress does tend to sometimes really densely knot their wigs, and it is tough sometimes to see that monofilament. And now that I'm more comfortable doing that, I do find I'm doing that a lot more with wigs just because that's my preference. So full disclosure on that one. All right, guys, if you have any questions about this color, please let me know. Otherwise, I just thought I'd show you real quick. So in case you were curious, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Hey everyone, I know that this video is really supposed to just be a color spotlight, but I thought I'd just put a little reminder on here that wigs often need to be made your own, and so don't always expect wigs to be perfect out of the box. I love Bellissima. It's one of my favorites. I love this color. I'm not sure when I'll ever wear it, but I would love to have a purple. For the time I need a purple wig. I mean, I do live in Minnesota, and we do have the Minnesota Vikings after all, but I do not love this part because you can't see it. So I'm gonna pluck it, and I've shown how to pluck actually I show you exactly how to pluck in One Tip Tuesday, and then I modify Aesthetica Sage for my own liking, which involved plucking the part. So I just want to remind you guys, please don't feel like every single wig has to come perfect. If a part is not your cup of tea, that is one of the easiest things to fix, and you can just pluck it. So go for it.